If you're wanting to learn punch needle embroidery, you're in the right place. And today we're talking about finishing your punch needle project. If your project was made on wood-mounted monk's cloth, there's not much that you need to do. What I do suggest is trimming your yarn ends a little bit on the back. What I like to do is hang it, give it a little shake, and then give it a little haircut with scissors. If you want to make it extra pretty, you can add a felt backing or fabric backing. You can also add a hook for hanging. And you can purchase or make a wood frame. This kind of wood frame is called a floating frame. I'm going to show you two different ways to finish a project made in a hoop. You can keep your project in the hoop that you made it in, the interlocking working hoop. Or you can take out your finished project and put it in a display hoop. This could be a faux wood plastic hoop, or a plain wood hoop, or maybe even another style. Center and secure your project in your hoop. Be sure to tighten your fabric. Then tighten the screw. An easy way to finish your project is by gluing the monk's cloth to the back of your hoop and cutting away the excess fabric. The second way is to cut around the edge of your project, leaving about an inch of fabric around your hoop. Taking a yarn needle and some extra yarn, complete a straight stitch all the way around your hoop, about ½ an inch away from the edge. Pull the two ends of yarn tight, tying them into a knot. Now your project in the hoop is ready to hang or display. You may have purchased one of my kits to make a mug rug or an ornament. The finishing process is the same for both. Once your stitching is complete, you're going to remove your project from the hoop, cut around the edge of your stitches, leaving about an inch of fabric. Now carefully cut towards your stitches about ½ an inch apart, creating a series of tabs around the edge of your project. You can use hot glue or another fabric glue to fold these tabs and glue them in place. If you're making an ornament to hang, use a small piece of yarn to create a hanging loop. Glue in place. Next, you're going to glue felt backing in place, being sure to secure the edges. Thanks for watching this video on how to finish your punch needle embroidery project. Don't forget to go and watch the other videos in this series and to follow and subscribe to see more lessons. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!